Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn English with Faisal Hamid. Today we are going to do GRE vocabulary of the day. And today's word is abhor. It is a verb. It means it will show action. Its meaning is to hate. Its synonyms are abominate and loathe. Its antonyms are conformity and regularity. You can make adjective out of it, and it is abhorrent. Noun will be abhorrence. Let's see how do we make sentences. He did not abhor his opponents, though they always teased him. One should not abhor others because abhorrence always leads to destruction. Hope you understand the meaning. Take care of self. Thank you for watching.